Now we shift focus to matters business, where the government has kicked off engaging various professionals as the country gears to develop a long-term economic development blueprint to outlive Vision 2030. President's advisor on economic affairs, Dr. David Ndii, says this is a beginning of countrywide engagements with all professional stakeholders. The meeting brought together representatives from sport federations, manufacturing, research academia, among others, that have called for government to anchor the new vision into law to ensure full implementation.
Kenya is accelerating plans to develop a new economic development blueprint as the end of Vision 2030 draws near. Kenya is currently implementing its third-term plan, which comes to an end in 4 years' time. To plan for the fourth medium-term plan, as well as a blueprint that will succeed Vision 2030, President William Ruto launched the national conversation as the country seeks to develop a new document through public participation. Today, Vision 2030 Delivery Secretariat held engagements with various stakeholders on how the national conversations will be rolled out to ensure countrywide participation of all stakeholders.
This year, the university tertiary education enrollment is about 1.2 million young people who are in universities, who are going in TVETs. We need, given the current financing structure, we need 180 billion shillings. We've only been able to put 100 in the budget. So we have an 80 billion shilling deficit. So that gives us only three choices. Either we find another way of financing it, we either fund tertiary education massively, which is what we've been doing in the past.
The meeting brought together various key stakeholders from the manufacturing sector, sporting federations, faith-based organizations, the academia, among others. Economic Planning Principal Secretary Dr. Boniface Makoha has said the engagement is part of the ongoing consultations aimed at gathering diverse perspectives from stakeholders to inform discussions on Kenya's development trajectory beyond Vision 2030.
We need to also ask ourselves, how do we convert the voices of that child who has spoken here, of that boda guy, of Mama Mboga, of Matatu owner, that voice into the national outcome that would now inform the final National Development Charter.
Ndutamo Kami for Prime Edition.